for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No.
Welcome to Gone Trekking, where we travel South Africa with our friends and family. This week we visited the upper south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. We started down in Scottburgh, which is our favorite swimming and family-friendly beach. We then went down to Rocky Bay and Karridende for some snorkeling, which is my favorite activity. We also popped into Splash Waterworld, which the kids had a lot of fun at, as well as Crocworld. Come join us, come have fun, let's go see what we got up to.
Good morning guys, we are going at swim at Scottburgh, then we are going to snorkel at Rocky Bay. Let's go!
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah.
Hi guys, we are going to Toti's Beach and we're also going to check out what's happening at Splash Waterworld. Let's go!
Yeah, we'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
Hi guys, we are at Splash Waterworld. So, there's 10, almost like 10 slides or super shoes. The one is, for my part, is the yellow one.
Mine is the lazy river and also the yellow one. The yellow one is very slow and
because I got a lekker.
and the lazy river you sit on a tube, then the tube moves and you go with the tube because you're sitting on it. Then the water is pulling you through this small tube behind us.
There is someone scared.
Is it fun?
Yes, it's very fun.
Okay, what are we gonna do now?
Yeah,
What are we gonna do now?
To this
we're going to the beach.
Okay, we'll go to the beach and come back.
Yes.
Okay, cool, bye.
Bye.
Smash it.
Huh?
Hi guys, we are at Crocworld in Scottburgh. We are at the crocodile zone.
What did you guys see today?
Snakes, crocodiles, birds.
What did they do with the crocodiles today? Did they just lie
feed
there?
them. And when they feed them, they're fighting for it. Then there's like a bunch next to a female or guy, but he doesn't even care, doesn't want to eat it.
Okay, what did they eat?
Chicken!
Chickens.
It's raw.
Raw.
Raw. Not raw.
Is this cool?
Yes, it's very cool.
Okay.
And now I want to see the flamingos.
Flamingos. After visiting the Crocs, we explored the park to find the flamingos and were treated to other beautiful birds and reptiles on display. The restaurant also gave us a break from the wind that filled our tummies. For a unique experience, try the croc burger while you're there. I can definitely also recommend the beef curry that my daughter had. It was delicious. Our home base for the week was Karridende Resort. It has a caravan park, timeshare facilities as well as a hotel. Let's go have a look.
So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight.
Okay, home sweet home for the week. Nice size kitchen, decent size living room, but look at this. That's why we're here. So you get to go right down there. Is the ocean, viewable from all the rooms. Some more bra facilities, and actually there where the walkway is a path to the beach. Happy kids?
Yes.
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 Let's go find mom.
Mommy.
Okay, what else do we have? Bathroom number 1, shower bath, kids bedroom. Let's see. Okay, already slept in. Main bedroom. Very, very nice. And that brought our holiday to an end. We had to have a last trip down to the beach, enjoy the last sunset before packing and heading home. On the way home, unfortunately, the highway was closed, some accident, and we had to pick a town to reroute through. Ended up going to Howick. Had to go see the waterfalls, of course. Let's go have a look. Okay, so we are on our way home. We're not even halfway yet, and the highway is closed. They're detouring all the cars to go right around through the little towns to get back to the middle sort of section where we need to go to. So we're in Howick, and I thought instead of just driving through, let's stop. I'm gonna go see what the Howick Falls looks like, the river, the gorge, and then keep on tracking. Why not? Let's do it.
Let's go.
Baby, let me tell you one time that I fire that I love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time. So we gonna do this tonight.
What are you saying?
Loch Ness is the photo from Scotland. Photo from Scotland. Could be the Incanyon. See the photo from Scotland. Could be the Incanyon. Right here.
And with the last bit of souvenir hunting, that brings us to the end of our holiday, the rest of the road lying ahead.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like. If you need to know more about the places we went to, please have a look in the description below. Put a link down to the article supporting this, links to TripAdvisor, and anything else you might need. See you next time.